Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe. If you guys have a Hyundai Santa Fe, you have engine light on and you have any of the following two codes, such as code P1114 or code P1115, stay with us. We'll explain what most likely causes that and how to fix it. It could be up to 3 things, so make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain what you should always do when you replace that sensor guys, because if you don't, you can severely overheat your engine and end up needing a new engine. Now, you don't need to remove your engine to do that, but we have the engine out because we'll be making hundreds of videos that can potentially save you thousands of dollars, and with the engine being out, we can show you everything with a great detail where every single sensor, bolt, nut is located and how to fix your Hyundai Santa Fe. So let's start on it now. So this should work on Hyundai Santa Fe generation 2013 all the way to year 2016 guys, with a 2.4 GDI engine. Now let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix practically anything guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This engine, okay, will be completely taken apart. Transmission will show you how to fix almost anything on it. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts or tools guys, okay, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. So this right here, okay, this is the engine. And before we start, let me tell you guys, if you have a Hyundai with a 2.4 GDI engine or other cars, check our main channel, Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So before we start guys, okay, many of you ask me in the comment section below which computer we recommend for diagnostics. So this is the one guys I want to show you quick. I will put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from and you can read more about it. This is the one guys, okay, it works on almost any car you can think of. Hyundai is right here, but it works on almost any car guys. So it's a computer that can pay itself off in one-time use. So let's explain what most likely causes any of these two codes, P1114 and P1115. Most likely it's a problem guys related to that device, that sensor. This is known as a coolant temperature sensor guys. What it does, it detects how hot the coolant is in your car, because if that thing doesn't work guys, your car can easily overheat. It will not know when to turn the fan on, it will not know how to adjust fuel, okay, fuel, air and all that stuff, because depending on the engine temperature and all that stuff, okay, actually the amount of fuel and air will be different as well. Because when the engine is cold, it needs more fuel, when it's warm, it doesn't need so much. So very important sensor guys. Without that sensor, okay, you can say bye-bye to your car sooner or later. So what guys usually causes any of these two codes? Okay, first, the sensor guys, will have a special video how to replace it, because there is certain procedures you need to follow, otherwise you can guys severely hurt yourself, because coolant could be hot and under pressure. Now that's the plugin for the sensor guys. Number one thing, okay, that you will need to check, make sure guys, okay, make sure that the wiring harness is plugged all the way in. Okay, make sure it doesn't have any oil leaks on the sensor and the wiring harness here, because oil from a leaking valve cover gasket can drip on this one and actually cause it not to transfer the signal correctly. Number two, make sure the wiring harness is not broken or eaten. Sometimes rodents like mice in the winter time can chew on wires guys. We had a case like that and that's why it wasn't working. But the most common one will be a bad coolant temperature sensor. And if you want to see guys how to test it to find out for sure if it's good or bad, we have a special video that explains how to do that on Kia guys and Hyundai. Okay, because that same sensor guys, okay, as you can see, it says Hyundai and Kia right here as it's been used for both cars. So if you want to see how to do it on Hyundai Santa Fe, check out our video how to test coolant temperature sensor on Hyundai. You will be able to find it on our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair guys. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.